morning. My longest baby. He's so tall. Pero Nathan, you okay? VlogMas day 2. So today what I have planned is clean my room. So this is gonna be a cleaning VlogMas video. So I need to clean my room. I need to do laundry before it gets piled up again. I need to do that. So pretty much just clean my room, wash the cobijas. Yeah, Jonathan's working right now, so you guys won't be seeing him till probably the weekend. So yeah, just need do the laundry, do this, clean baby's crib. Even though he doesn't sleep there, I like to keep it clean. But once in a while, like, you know, like it gets messy. Hey! Hey! Hey!
He's going to fall.
He has a pillow feather. Hey! Little sister's gonna be in school. She's doing online classes again. They did the in-school classes for what, 2 weeks? And then the coronavirus increased, so now she's homeschooling again. Nathan, say hi. I'm gonna be 1 in 21 days.
I'm out.
He's gonna get off. So yeah, he knows how to get off now from the bed. But yet again, we still need to help him a little bit because I'm still kind of scared that he's not gonna get off properly and he's gonna fall. And he has done that. Sometimes he forgets that he needs to put his legs first and he ends up falling. Well, not falling because I end up catching him on time. But he ends up going like with his hands first. But yeah. So yeah, that's what we have planned. And yes, I'm still wearing the white shirt and my sweatpants. This is pretty much my PJs. I need PJs. So if any of you guys want to give me PJs, I'm a size small. If the size small looks big, I'm a size extra small. So yeah. Yeah. So that's the plan. Also, I need to wash the towels in the bathroom. So I need to wash that. So I'm gonna make his breakfast. Baby's breakfast and mine. Un huevito. He likes his eggs. Sometimes. And well, I eat with them too. I use this for the oil instead of like actual oil. I used to use butter to make his eggs. He's already eating a lot of these. They're the yogurt melts from Gerber. He was eating the tropical ones. So I do let him eat some like couple snacks before breakfast, and he will eat afterwards. So I don't mind it that he eats a little bit snack, because 6 in the morning is way too early for him to eat breakfast. Because he wakes up at 6 in the morning. So that's his. I sprayed a little bit more. One huevito. Here's my egg. Here's baby's egg. Lico? Rico? And he does sometimes, like he sometimes gives it to Max. I'm not gonna lie. He will give it to Max. Yeah? Trying to open the chile. Who else likes to eat salsa with your eggs? Because I do. And my fiance is slowly starting to like chile, so that's good for me. Lico? See? Rico? Paro. Don't put it in your hair. You put it in his hair.
I don't know what they're talking about dreams.
Well, they're talking about dreams, Nora. You missed a class, like that portion of the class. So yeah, we're gonna eat. Yummy? Okay, so he's all looking at me. Okay. So we're done eating. He is playing with the little vacuum. But I already put the clothes into the washer. There's not much white clothes, so I didn't have to separate them, which is good. What else? Now I just need to clean the room, pretty much. Let me show you how messy it is. Oh, and after washing the clothes, I need to wash the blankets too. Let me show you how messy the room is. My little feet. There he is right there. My bed. And his crib. Those are baby shower gifts right there. So, yeah. Nathan. Hi. What you doing? So yeah, now let's just get right into cleaning my room, and hopefully it stays clean for like at least the rest of the day, because I know having a baby is just gonna get even messier like later on. So let's just hope the rest of the day. And I keep getting these calls, account services calls, and this one's from Colorado. Have no idea what they are. Probably they're the health insurance company. It's like, it's time to renew the program and right? Yeah, I know. But I deny them because obviously I don't know the phone numbers. But they just keep calling, but they don't leave a voicemail. If it was important, they would have leave a voicemail. So yeah. So all right, let's keep cleaning. Or let's get started in cleaning the room. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. I did clean a little bit of the floor, as you guys saw, but also my baby just woke up and he's still a little sick. So as you guys know, baby's being sick plus barely waking up. They're like needy AF, like AF. So I'm gonna attend to him the rest of the day. I'm still gonna continue cleaning, but that's gonna be it for this video. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. And don't put that in his mouth, Nora. So yeah, he didn't even want his milk. So yeah.
No, Max.
Do I need to take out the clothes out of the dryer? Not the dryer, the washer. So yeah, I'm attend to him. I'm already cooking him. Yeah. Good. Don't hold him. He's fine, Nora.
I just making sure he doesn't go whoop.
Well, he's not gonna go whoop. Yeah. Tell him, Papa. Tell him. Tell him I'm a little sick. I got. Okay, he did one whoop whoop. Tell him I got little moquitos. He hasn't had any fever, so that's a good thing. I am glad he hasn't had a fever. He has never had a fever. He has never gotten sick until now. It's just a little small cold. But yes, if he ever gets a fever or anything, obviously I'm gonna go get him tested and get myself tested and Max. And yeah, so that was a bubble. So yeah, but luckily he hasn't gotten any fevers or anything. It's just a whole bunch of mucus and that's it. Like he barely coughs. It's like mainly mucus. So yeah. So yeah, you guys, I'll let you guys go, and I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas Day 2 video. And we'll see what tomorrow brings us. If tomorrow is still the same, I'll probably not vlog tomorrow, but the following day. So we'll see and see when I record. So I'll warn you guys, if I don't upload tomorrow, it's because I didn't vlog tomorrow. So yeah, Max. Ni te dio un besito hasta ahorita, papá. Yes. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next Vlogmas video. Peace. Say bye.